how we do it. Hi guys, so now we open this. We don't know what it is.
Hey guys, so I'm excited to share that I just recently received this PR package from Velocity Pro Gear. So let's open it and see what's inside. Mini, get down. Watch out, Mini. Watch out. Come on. Come on. Some Velocity Pro Gear anti-cut level 1 work gloves. And there are 3 pairs of these. Oh, and this. Ooh, Velocity Pro Gear t-shirt. Cute. And this, what's this? She always doing something. Okay. Ooh, we also got this really nice quality Velocity hoodie. It has like a different kind of fabric, like a sturdier fabric on the elbow, I guess, to prevent like blowout there. It's really nice. Very decent material. Nice pocket. Pocket goes, ooh, yeah, the pocket goes all the way through. Cute. What's this? This is, oh my gosh, this is their drill bit case. Look at this. The quality on this is incredible. Now, all of my drill bits will have like their home location because right now they're just swimming around in these small, like little canvas bags that I use to support all of my little stuff like that. Listen, this bag is screaming reusable grocery bag at this point. 2 hours later. All right, here we go. Ooh. Reusable grocery bag. This is a lunch bag. It is. It's a really decent quality. Oh, it has a little keep your stuff hot thing up here. Another compartment down here, same thing. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. It is Velocity Pro Gear water bottle. Hey. Oh, and that's stainless steel, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, look at the lunch bag. Lunch bag is too cool. It got 2 compartments. Very decent quality. Look at the bottom. Get down, girl. Go. This is one of Velocity Pro Gear's tool bags. First of all, the bottom. This is from the Rogue series. Oh my. Look inside. Look at that. And there's even a little pencil little pencil case for the Sharpies and the pencils. What's on this side? Oh, even more space. Another little storage. This could probably hold like a tablet or something, iPad, whatever. Wow, this is really nice. The quality is incredible. This also came with a strap. Nice. Okay. Yes, I see that. Thank you. Hold on. Let's do this other bag first. Reusable grocery bag again.
It's so cute.
Look at this. Wow. This is another one of their tool bags. Again, the bottom is like nice hard bottom. You don't got to worry about that getting wet or anything like that. This is the Rogue 2.0 XL Shadow Black bag. And this is a tough bag. I love the fact. Okay, hold on, baby. I love the fact that it has all this room. How am I getting? Oh, that Velcros. Okay. Look at this inside. Strap for this too. There's also all this room inside. Like I could fit power tools in there for real. This extra little pouch here. This is really nice. I am blown away by the quality of these bags. And I'm currently working on the job site. I'm currently working out of 2 Husky bags. If I don't like Husky for nothing else, I do like their bags, but the bags that I have are not this quality. Like they're tattered, they're old. They've seen their share of wear and tear, but these bags look like they would last a long time, but I'm going to be putting them to the test in the field and I'm going to let you know my honest opinion. We also got the Velocity Pro Gear. These are the work mats. These are work mats. You put these down like whenever you're working and it just keeps all your stuff, any mesh you're making, just right on this mat. Nice. Very nice. Is this the last thing? Ooh. This is the Velocity Pro Gear. What is this? The Cyclone jacket. Look at the inside. That quality is buttery soft. The jacket's waterproof. The kids are fighting for their life with the cat. Nice. This is so nice. The quality. And I've needed a new rain jacket too because my other one it's been through the ringer itself. Thank you so much to Velocity Pro Gear. And like I said, I'll be putting these bags to the test and letting you guys know my honest opinion.